We have made in our classroom with our students. Each of these represents 10,000. We have made 66,202 pizzas. Oh, I guess that counts as one more right there. So. You're always going to love the pizza style that you grew up with. For me, the classic New York slice is a great crust, tomato sauce, I like a little garlic, a little bit of oregano, shredded low moisture whole milk mozzarella, and then I like to grate on Parmigiano Reggiano. Top of the clock here at 12 o'clock, we've got the New York setting. First pie, I'm trying, what do we have here? We have it kind of like halfway between, like it goes from lighter to darker. I like to throw a little bit of char on my pizzas. So I'm first gonna try it on the almost full dark setting and then see how that goes, and then we can always dial it up from there. Every pizza that you make, you learn something, you know, and then you learn something from what you've done, and then you kind of like, you dial it in even more by saying, oh, I should have added a little bit more of this, a little bit less of this. I should bump the temperature up a little bit here, bump the temperature down a little bit there. And that's cool. I mean, I love the fact that you can play with both chamber and deck temperatures, and that's absolutely key. But I really got, you know, on this one, as we've been playing around with the temperature, I mean, that kind of there. And again, and what I'm using here is, this is just a standard dough. I'm not using an American all-purpose unbleached flour right there. So the undercarriage, all right? This is kind of the barometer for a lot of people with a pizza, is like, what does the bottom of the pizza look like? So what I'm looking for is, I'm looking for something that isn't just the color of the raw dough, that's got some definitely toastiness to it and some spotting. So if you see when I pick this up, you got this nice kind of there, and texturally too, if you notice what's happening is, it's not completely sagging, but it's also not completely brittle and stiff. So what it's telling me is, this is like the perfect folded in half kind of slice that also is going to be crispy. And that's what you want, like that. I want it to be crispy, and I want it to be chewy at the same time, and that's what's important. So yeah, that's awesome right there. Perfect. Remember how much cheese and sauce that I didn't actually put on this pizza before it went into the oven, and look what a nice spread that I got. And here, you guys got to taste a slice of this one now. That came out of this, the Breville Pizzaiolo oven, which is amazing. And I can't wait to play with this thing more and more and more.